Good morning. We are from Vertextechnology. The project title name is called Development of Fully Automated GPS-based Monitoring System for Disaster Management and Prevention and Emergency Precaution. In this project, we are using an AVR 80 Mega 32 power supply, MEMS 16 cross 2 LCD display, Max 232, and one GPS module and one relay GSM and ENC 28J60, one Ethernet module, and we are using a laptop. The data will be displayed on the Google images. So in our hardware session, so here first of all we use the transformer, master microcontroller, ENC28J60 that is connected with the laptop. On laptop they will display the Google web images. Okay, that whatever the latitude longitude values coming, that should be displayed. Okay, after that we are using a relay for the switching of GSM and GPS. Here we are using a GPS, one GSM model. We are going for the hardware in deep. First of all, we are using a 12 volts transformer and one 9 volt. 12 volt for the 3 modules, 12 volt for the only Ethernet module power supply. And 12 volts we are in 230 input, 12 volts, and after that we are using we divided into 3 parts. One part for the master microcontroller, another part for the GPS, another part for the GSM. Only this 12 volts for the Ethernet module. So here 230 input, step down transformer, 12 volts output, and that is connected to the master microcontroller. Okay, here so this is an relevant cable that is connected with the in front bridge rectifier 1N4007, and this is an AC to DC converter, and after that the DC is an fluctuated DC. Here we are using an 1000 microfarad by 25 volts electrolytic capacitor. That main purpose of this capacitor is if there is any alternate peaks, we need to reduce that peaks. Nothing but a filtering capacitor. Here we are using the LM7805 regulator, and it is an 5 volts regulator. So we are converting 12 volt to 5 volt. So here we are using a microcontroller, an 80 Mega 32 microcontroller having total 40 pin IC. It's an PDIP. Okay, having a total 4 ports, port A, port B, port C, port D. Port A is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display. So that is character LCD display. Whatever the data coming from the microcontroller, that should be displayed onto the LCD. Here port B is connected to the MEMS module, that is an ADXL335 MEMS module, which it is acting as a earth. It is acting as a earth, means when the disaster occurred, we have to present that a disaster occurred. So we are receiving the latitude longitude and we are sending. So that's why port D is connected with the Max 232. And here the 9th pin is reset pin. When the program is not perfect, we have to restart it. And 11th pin and 12th pin is connected with 16 megahertz crystal. So this is an heart of the circuit for the microcontroller to generate the clock pulses to the internal CPU. So we want to run the program. So crystal is the main circuit, and reset, active low reset. So here the Max 232, whatever the data we have to send to the GSM modem, receive to the GPS, means voltage level converter to it will adjust the microcontroller to the GPS module's voltage. It is a mediator IC. Here we are connected with the SR90 module. So this is an 65 channel SR90 module, which is 9600 baud rate. In a globe having 24 satellites are continuously rotating, it will take any one satellite data and that is giving to the microcontroller. Here we are using another one, that is an GSM modem. This is an SIM300 module. It's an 800 megahertz to 1800 megahertz frequency. It is an 2G modem. It can send the data, receive the data. Okay, it working under AT command format. So this entire circuit is called GSM module. So here I am using one relay, that is an SPDT relay, single pole double tooth relay, double to relay. So this relay will, when we want to data from the satellite, it will be 0. When we want to send the SMS, means this is a switching circuit for both microcontroller, but both modules GSM and GPS. So here we are using an Ethernet module as ENC28J Ethernet module, which was sent to the data to the laptop. Here we are using a laptop. In that we have one application is there. That application is called application we are wrote onto the in .NET format. In .NET we have an latitude longitude values will be displayed. Okay now, so we presented one Google Earth software that was written by Vertextechnologies. We designed like that only. So when I first of all, when that power is on, so whenever the power will be off